Buying one of the best drum sets is one of the most exciting things that can happen to a drummer. Whether you're starting your drumming journey, have reached the intermediate uplands, or broken into the world of professional playing, upgrading to your next drum set can be an inspiring and truly joyful moment. Finding the best drum set for you can do wonders for your playing ability and individual playing style, and, most importantly, the amount of fun you can have behind your drum kit. In this video we are trying to review top 5 best drum set in current market. After spending few weeks we make this list for you. If you like this video, please share this video and click the like button and comments below. Number 1. Roland Drum Set VAD306-1. The VAD306 is a unique V-Drums acoustic design kit, purposefully compact, while maintaining the distinctive acoustic aesthetic of the series. The footprint is the same as a mid-level V-Drum set, making it ideal for home use in tight stages. Cut-down shallow shells save space and weight, but from the playing position, they feel instantly familiar to any drummer. Double-braced stands with tom mounts and cymbal boom arms complete the layout and further enhance the acoustic theme. And with its organic, expressive sound, the TD17 module provides all the acoustic tone and playability you could ask for, whether drumming for yourself at home or out gigging on the local bar circuit. Space-saving V-Drums acoustic design kit with shallow depth wood shells and double-braced chrome stands. This item comes in 2 boxes: VAD306-1, VAD306-2. TD17 sound module with expressive and dynamic sound, inherited from the prismatic sound modeling technology of the flagship TD50. Number 2. Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh Kit. Feel the difference mesh makes. All mesh electronic drum kit heads deliver the most realistic, responsive, and immersive playing experience drummers demand. 60 built-in play-along tracks, sequencer, metronome, AUX input, and performance recorder help to hone and develop your drum skills. 60 free virtual lessons from melodics to hone your skills for any genre or technique you want to master. Nitro drum module with 40 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits, 60 play-along tracks, and 350+ expertly curated acoustic/electric drum set sounds. Number 3. Best Choice Products 5-piece. Complete with every piece needed to jam out, this set includes a snare, bass drum, floor tom, hi-hat cymbal, ride cymbal, bass drum pedal, stool, 2 rack toms, and drum sticks. Crafted with a high-gloss finish as well as white drum heads and eye-catching chrome details to give your drums a timeless appearance. Ideal for beginning drummers and those more experienced, this set's standard size makes it suitable for users young and old. Made of solid wood and metal, these drums are built to stand the test of time while fostering your love of music. When building our products, BCP does the heavy lifting for you. Before an item makes it to your home, it must first pass quality tests and our final stamp of approval. Every step of a product counts, and we never compromise high quality. Number 4. Alesis Drums Turbo Mesh Kit. Electronic drum kit powered by mesh technology. All mesh drum heads deliver the most realistic, responsive, and immersive playing experience modern drummers demand. Turbo drum module with 10 ready-to-play classic and modern drum kits, 30 play-along tracks, and 100+ expertly curated sounds. 30 built-in play-along tracks, metronome, AUX input, and drum coach help to hone and develop your drum skills. 60 free virtual lessons from melodics to hone your skills for any genre or technique you want to master. Number 5. Alesis Drums Command Mesh Kit. Alesis has revolutionized the music industry with their groundbreaking studio recording, electronic percussion, keyboard, and live sound gear. Our passion for innovation is unmatched, and we are dedicated to creating gear that empowers musicians, producers, and engineers at all skill levels to unleash their full creative potential at home, on stage, and in the studio. All mesh electronic drum kit heads deliver the most realistic, responsive, and immersive playing experience drummers demand. Sequencer to record your own drum performance. AUX input for jamming to your favorite tracks. Record and control MIDI using onboard USB/MIDI ins and outs. 60 free virtual lessons from melodics to hone your skills for any genre or technique you want to master. Alesis and Melodics have teamed up to bring Alesis customers 60 additional lessons when you register your Alesis drum kit. Getting started couldn't be simpler. Register your Alesis drum kit on the Alesis website, return to Melodics. Download the Melodics app on your phone, table or laptop, and enter your promo code during the sign-up process. It's that simple. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked this video and found some important information what you want.